Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the way individuals and businesses generate income. With its powerful capabilities, AI offers numerous opportunities to create and optimize revenue streams across various industries. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or part of a larger organization, understanding how to harness AI's potential can significantly enhance your earning potential. Here's how you can make money using AI. Automating business processes. One of the most straightforward ways to use AI for profit is by automating repetitive tasks. Automation can lead to significant time and cost savings, which translates to increased profitability. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer service inquiries, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. Similarly, AI tools can manage email marketing campaigns, data entry and scheduling, allowing businesses to operate more efficiently. By integrating AI into your operations, you can reduce overhead costs and improve productivity, leading to higher profit margins. Enhancing marketing efforts. AI can revolutionize your marketing strategies by enabling personalized and targeted campaigns. With AI algorithms, you can analyze customer data to understand preferences, behaviors, and purchasing patterns. This information allows you to tailor your marketing efforts to specific audiences, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Moreover, AI can optimize ad placements and content creation, ensuring that your marketing budget is used effectively. By leveraging AI in your marketing, you can attract more customers and boost sales, thereby increasing your income. Developing AI-powered products. Creating AI-driven products is a lucrative way to generate revenue. Whether it's a mobile app, a software solution, or a hardware device, incorporating AI can make your product more appealing and valuable. For instance, AI can be used to develop virtual assistants, recommendation engines, or predictive analytics tools. These products can be sold directly to consumers or licensed to other businesses. If you have the technical skills or can collaborate with AI experts, product development can be a profitable venture. As AI adoption continues to grow, there is a rising demand for experts who can help businesses implement and optimize AI solutions. If you have expertise in AI, you can offer consulting services to companies looking to integrate AI into their operations. This could involve anything from advising on AI strategy to overseeing the deployment of AI systems. Consulting can be a high-margin business, especially if you specialize in a particular area of AI, such as machine learning, natural language processing, or computer vision. AI is also making waves in the world of finance, particularly in trading and investment. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data to identify trends, make predictions, and execute trades at high speeds. This can give you an edge in the stock market or other financial markets. You can use AI tools to develop trading strategies, manage portfolios, and even create automated trading bots. While this approach requires a solid understanding of financial markets, the potential for profit is significant. Content creation is another area where AI can be monetized. AI-powered tools can generate written content, create videos, design graphics, and even produce music. This content can be used for marketing, sold as a service, or published on monetized platforms. For example, AI-generated articles or social media posts can be sold to businesses looking for affordable content creation. Similarly, AI-generated music can be sold as stock music or used in video production. By harnessing AI for content creation, you can produce high volumes of content quickly and cost-effectively, leading to increased revenue. Building AI-powered applications can be a highly profitable business. This could include apps that offer personalized recommendations, AI-driven virtual assistants, or tools that analyze data to provide actionable insights. These applications can be marketed to both consumers and businesses, depending on the functionality. By focusing on a niche market or addressing a specific problem, you can create an app that meets a demand and generates consistent income. As AI becomes more prevalent, the need for education and training in this field is growing. If you have expertise in AI, you can offer courses, workshops, or one-on-one training sessions. These educational services can be marketed to individuals looking to enhance their skills or to companies wanting to upskill their employees. With the right approach, providing AI education can become a steady source of income, particularly if you offer specialized or advanced training. Many AI models require large amounts of labeled data for training. If you have access to a team or can set up a platform for data labeling, you can offer this service to AI developers. Data labeling involves annotating data so that AI algorithms can learn from it, which is a critical step in developing machine learning models. This service is in high demand, particularly in industries like healthcare, autonomous vehicles, and retail, where AI is being used extensively. By providing accurate and efficient data labeling services, you can build a profitable business. AI-enhanced customer experience. Improving customer experience through AI can also lead to increased revenue. AI tools can be used to personalize customer interactions, predict customer needs, and offer tailored solutions. For example, AI-driven recommendation engines can suggest products or services based on customer preferences, increasing the likelihood of a purchase. Additionally, AI can be used to analyze customer feedback and sentiment, allowing businesses to make data-driven decisions that enhance customer satisfaction. By focusing on customer experience, you can foster loyalty and drive repeat business, ultimately boosting your income. Selling AI datasets. Data is the backbone of AI, and quality datasets are in high demand. If you can collect, curate, and organize data, you can sell these datasets to businesses and researchers developing AI models. This could include anything from images and text data to more specialized data, like medical records or financial information. Selling datasets can be a lucrative business, especially if the data is unique, well-organized, and relevant to cutting-edge AI applications. AI-powered e-commerce. AI can be used to enhance e-commerce platforms, improving everything from product recommendations to inventory management. By integrating AI into an online store, you can create a more personalized shopping experience, which can lead to higher sales and customer retention. Additionally, AI can optimize pricing strategies, manage supply chains, and forecast demand, all of which contribute to increased profitability. If you're involved in e-commerce, using AI can help you stay competitive and grow your business. In conclusion, the potential for making money with AI is vast and varied. Whether you're automating processes, developing AI-driven products, or offering services related to AI, the opportunities are abundant. By staying informed about AI advancements and continually seeking out new ways to apply AI in your work, you can unlock new revenue streams and maximize your earning potential.